Okay. Okay.
Are you videotaping?
Okay, we could have told me the best part.
Put it somewhere.
Okay.
Do you fucking hear something? No, it's a ghost and it's wearing the alarm. It's wearing their Nike. Because they're squeaking over your foot. Okay, listen. Do you have to start from like Gabriella? Okay. Listen. So where do you want me to start?
Why do you have a laundry basket with paper?
I don't ask questions. Listen. I'm very conscious right now because I'm... Okay. What do you want me to do? It's my alarm.
Your worst triggers. I was going to say the dumbest thing.
Okay, so can I just go through everything? Troy, Gabriella, Sharpay, Ryan, Chad, Reno, Sabo, and then the singer.
Reno Sabo. Hey, Reno Sabo.
Okay. Okay, ready? Girl in background, Jordan Craig.
Oh, I get what you're saying now.
Did you get it? Like, she's always in front of me, no matter what.
Wait,
The other sister. Okay?
That's not what I was confused about. I thought you were trying to pause it on your face. I thought you were like laughing at something all funny because you made fun of me.
So you weren't listening at all.
Wait, people just walking by. Oh, who's that? Gangsta?
That's, you know. Devana's right there. Do you see her behind? She's behind. And like,
in the supposed to be able to see her?
No. Watch. Look, she comes up and oh! Ah. Bitch, eh?
Why wouldn't you guys get an actual boy for this video?
No one was around. Look at my hair. Okay? Look at the hair. Look at Backward.
I remember you doing this. Oh my god, I can't believe I helped this on this. This is the funniest night of my life.
She's like walking in my room. She did this master bedroom.
Oh, I thought that was her coming out of your garage. Not the bedroom.
So she went from a garage straight to a bedroom. Look at. I don't know how I got to that, okay?
You guys probably stupid. You probably thought like you had to write it backwards for it to show up normal to the camera.
No, we just look.
What room is that?
It's the stair.
The golden stair.
Look at this. My mom. Oh, she gets the key.
I love your mom. She's like, what do I do?
And then
isn't that your mom in the car, right? Donna didn't drive.
Okay, this is my best part. It's like the climax.